Hey there, it's Obokmansi Dental Clinic. If you've got temporomandibular joint pain, you know what I'm talking about, right? For temporomandibular joint issues, it's all about Obokmansi Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.
Today, we're going to look at a success story of a patient who started hearing clicking sounds from their jaw after experiencing jaw pain. My jaw makes noises frequently. My left TMJ hurts. It's not really pain, but lately, my jaw has been making noises a lot. About a week ago, I felt a pop while chewing something hard, like my jaw was dislocated, and it felt misaligned. It hurt for a few days, but the pain naturally decreased. When it felt misaligned, I could hear clicking sounds from my left jaw even without opening my mouth wide, but now it seems to have stopped. I still feel uneasy chewing hard food on the right side because the left side feels unstable. When it hurt, I was really surprised by the pain and the clicking sounds from my jaw.
For most patients with temporomandibular joint issues, proper muscle relaxation and jaw correction can lead to a speedy recovery.
In cases of severe TMJ pain and symptoms, non-insurance covered TMJ injection treatment may be necessary, but if the symptoms aren't too severe, significant improvement can be achieved with treatments fully covered by health insurance. At Obokmansi Dental Clinic, we performed a total of 5 TMJ treatment sessions. Afterward, opening the mouth became much smoother, the misaligned feeling and unease decreased, and the clicking sounds almost disappeared. We then concluded the TMJ treatment.
You know about temporomandibular joint pain, right? Temporomandibular joint treatment is right here at Obokmansi Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.